Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tejashvi Agastya here and I'll be discussing about throat chakra. Throat chakra is an energy center which is located right there at the center of your throat, and it is represented by color blue as it correlates to the elements sky or space in a human body. As usual, let me start with an example for your better understanding, guys. And for this, I would love to take my own example because as a student of school or college, I was always good at public speaking. In fact, I used to love being on stage and host some events. But as the time passed, at some point of time, I have taken wrong decision, and then I had to face so many problems and issues in my life. But still, I don't regret it because I'm a better person now because of those experience. But at that time, what happened is, guys, all those emotions were deeply rooted in me, and then I shut down my system completely. I was not in a position to talk to anybody. I myself have distanced from everybody. Like, I was not on any social media or platform. I did not meet my friends, my relatives, everybody, thinking that people would judge me basing on my past. But fortunately, I have met a person, and that when I have narrated the whole story to him, and he asked me, Teju, next time when you meet me, try to get one person name who have taken 100% decisions perfect in his lifetime. Not even one decision he have taken wrong. You can bring anybody's name, he said. So that he said, and he left. After that, I started analyzing who's that. I was even reading some books thinking that at least I could get some person in the history. Finally, I couldn't get it. So I realized what he actually told to me. All that he wanted me to realize is that we all are ever learners. Until we die, we keep learning. So nobody is perfect, and sometimes it happens, and those we have to take as lessons and just move on. Okay, but coming to the point, how I wanted to relate to this is, I had a realization that as a college student, my energy was throat energy, chakra's energy was good, and then I myself have blocked because of those situations, and now I am in a position to unblock that energy channel. So once I realized it, I started looking for solutions, guys. Then I used to write every day for some time, and I used to speak to my own self, and I used to ask what were the things which were bothering me and how I can work on them to make them better. So slowly I started interacting with people. I started mingling with my friends and everybody. So even before I started this YouTube series, I was having so many questions in my head, like whether the equipment which I'm using is sufficient to reach out to the people, or whether I'll be whether I can properly explain subject to the people, and most importantly, will I be able to take the comments which people were posting to me in response to what I'm giving. So all these questions were there in my head, but my inner spirit was saying that I wanted to be that person, that enthusiastic person who I was in my college. So somehow I started working on my throat chakra, guys. This is what I wanted you to understand, the phases which I have passed. As a student, my throat chakra was good. Then because of certain circumstances, the throat chakra has been blocked. And then again I started working on it, and I have released. Now I feel comfortable speaking to everybody, and I don't regret what all the things had happened in the past. So I wanted you also to come out like that. If at all you're not in a position to speak out to people, or you have some insecurity in expressing the truth within you, you can definitely work on your throat chakra, guys. Throat chakra is an energy center which is a voice of your body, not just your body, to all your energy centers. It's a masculine chakra which projects the energy out. Throat chakra is an energy center which also play a major role in your body's metabolism because it relates to an endocrine gland called thyroid. Another important concept is, guys, your neck is a bridge between your head and your body, and this is an energy center which is located right there in your neck. So any kind of energy passing through your lower body to your head have to pass through your neck. So try to keep your throat chakra well balanced. So by now you have understood what is throat chakra, what is its color, what is its location, and how does it affect your speech. And you have also understood that it relates to your thyroid gland. Now diagnose the energy in your throat chakra by posting some questions to yourself, guys. Ask yourself whether are you in a position to speak out the truth. Are you expressing yourself properly? Like most of the time we fight with the partners or with our parents, with our children, because lack of communication. We have a lot to say but we don't even speak one word. It happened with me, guys, and it happens with so many people. So all that I wanted you to is to heal and energize your throat chakra. Understand how you're finding it easy or difficult to express your emotions. It's a voice of your body. And just imagine you're very happy or you're very angry and you're not able to properly communicate it. What happens is you become a pressure cooker. If I'm very happy, I wanted to shout, scream and enjoy that. Even if I'm angry, I wanted to even express it in my feelings, saying that this is what happened, and if at all I'm not able to say all this, I become a pressure cooker definitely. Another important thing is, guys, see how your body's metabolism is. If it is up to the mark, then you have a well-balanced throat chakra. Basing on the answers which we are getting from the questions you have posted yourself, you can work on it, guys. Try to have some hot water whenever you have some kind of irritation in your throat. That will really help you. The upcoming video, I'll be posting a guided meditation on healing and energizing the throat chakra. So stay tuned. See you soon. Thank you.